Greetings and salutations. We are the CoaLab, a collaborative team of mechanical engineering students from Bataan Peninsula State University, Philippines. Let us borrow a couple of your minutes to present our circular solution idea to aid the chosen problem within our campus and in the neighborhood. During the pandemic, paper consumption considerably increased due to the limited learning modes. As the situation is getting back to normal, schools are no longer required to use learning module materials for flexible learning. Therefore, used printed modules have significantly contributed to the excessive amount of paper waste. On the other hand, the demand for wooden products in the industrial sector produces large amount of sawdust from wood processing. Considering that sawdust has low adverse effects on small-scale wood manufacturers, sawdust disposal is not taken very seriously and often ends up in landfills. So, we came up with a question. How might we provide an upcycling solution to excessive paper waste from schools and wood waste produced by the industry that usually ends up in landfills?
To validate the stated problems, the team conducted interviews and looked through relevant research papers. We interviewed schools and local small-scale wood manufacturers to determine their waste management strategies. Based on the information that has been collected, wood waste from small-scale wood manufacturers is gathered by garbage collectors and disposed of in landfills, while paper waste from schools and universities is collected and sold to junk shops, which then sell it to paper recycling companies. However, some junk shops stop buying paper waste because there are instances where it has already deteriorated before being picked up. So, it is being dumped in landfills.
To address this problem, our circular solution is a paper sawdust briquette. The first step is collecting paper waste and sawdust from partner schools and local wood enterprises. The paper waste will be shredded and turned into pulp before being mixed with the sawdust. A briquetting machine will then form the mixture into briquettes and subject them into drying. Once the paper sawdust briquettes are completely dry, they are ready to be released onto the market for domestic use. The ash generated from burning the briquettes has potential application as the fertilizer. Our idea is circular since the ash left after using the briquette can be used as a supplement in growing crops, thus promoting a sustainable and circular solution. The potential benefits in line with our proposed idea will have a positive impact environmentally with the utilization of paper and wood waste that are directly disposed into landfill, mitigating the greenhouse gas emission. Socially, encouraging partnerships effectively with schools and small-scale wood manufacturing recognizes a reliable answer for excessive paper and wood waste, as well as a much cleaner, efficient, and affordable source of fuel for food business and domestic purposes. For economic benefits, showing the value and potential of utilizing the paper and wood waste with a profitable trade. And since there are many unemployed people in our local place, job opportunities will be given to them.
Our collab's business advocacy to turn paper and wood waste into biomass briquettes will serve as a collaborative circular solution that will help address problems in excessive solid waste contributions of universities and small wood processing industries. Through establishing partnerships with LGUs, environmental and educational institutions, and local wood industries, we believe that this circular value creation strategy will help promote sustainability and create an impact on the life of low up to standard Filipino households, providing a more convenient and accessible substitute for commercial charcoal. For our next steps in mind, first phase will be dedicated to the development of the machine and the prototype product output. Then in the second phase, we will conduct a soft launch to the selected community in order to have extended evaluation of the customer's feedback through the early access given. The team will make certain adjustments in line with the data being assessed. Two of the last phase will focus on establishing partnerships and marketing, as the product will be officially released with corresponding advertisements to pinpoint and secure our target market. Again, we are the BioCollab, where collaborations lead to a better life.